Hi
Hi.
Kim, hello.
Yes, hi, hello.
Yes, good to see you again. How are
Good to see you
you?
again. I'm great, but sorry I don't wear makeup today, so
Oh
sorry.
no,
It's okay.
still great.
Oh, okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah. That's nice. Oh, Steve Jobs.
Still, yeah, I really like Steve
I
Jobs.
like him
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, this is great. So, yes, we are going to study daily news in this lesson, and the title is The Impact of Steve Jobs 2005 Commencement Speech. This is wonderful
Yeah.
speech. Yeah, I heard the speech is very great.
Yeah,
Very good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
very good.
Yes, let's have words and phrases. So let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. Okay.
Okay.
So let's have the first word. Okay, please listen and repeat.
gut,
Gut.
Go.
Okay. And it is used to talk about feelings, ideas, etc. That comes from your emotions and from what seems true or right, rather than from logical reason. Oh, wow. Please read the sentence.
Okay. He knew he had to trust his gut and do what felt right.
Yes. All right. Let's have the next.
courage,
Courage.
Courage. All right. It's the ability to do something that you know is difficult or dangerous. Dangerous. Okay, please read the sentence.
Okay, it takes courage to stand up for your rights.
It is true. Okay, let's have the next.
grip,
Grip. A grip.
Yes, grip. Yes, yes. It's a tight hold on something or someone. Okay, please read the sentence.
Okay, she tightened her grip on my arm.
Oh, like
Like
very,
this.
very tight, tight. Okay,
Tightened.
tightened. Yes. Let's have the last one, last word.
recall,
Recall.
Recall. It means to bring the memory of a past event in your mind and often to give a description of what you remember. Okay, please read the last sentence.
Okay, I don't recall what time they said they would be here.
All right. Okay, we're done with words and phrases. Is there any questions so far?
Ah, no, so
Everything
far.
is clear, so let's move to
Yeah.
the comprehension part. So, we will listen to the article, but before that, let's check the questions that you'll have to answer later. So, let me read the first question. How many views on YouTube does Steve Jobs' 2005 commencement speech have? Actually, I don't know yet. I want to know this one. Please read question number two.
Okay, number two. Okay, what health issue was Steve Jobs dealing with when he made a speech?
Oh, health issue. Okay. And the last question is, what is the only way to be truly satisfied according to Jobs? Okay, very interesting. So let's try to find out. Now, let's listen to the article. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
The Impact of Steve Jobs' 2005 Commencement Speech. Steve Jobs' 2005 commencement speech to students has almost 40 million views on YouTube. He talked about three stories from his life. He discussed leaving college, lessons he learned from his work life, and his thoughts on death. The first two stories are about the need to trust your gut and find what you love. The third is more personal, as Jobs was dealing with cancer. He said, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Have the courage to follow your heart. He was not a tech billionaire that day, just someone who had felt death's grip and lived to see another day. Jobs passed away in 2011. His wife recalled her late husband's advice during a 2021 commencement speech. used to say,
Steve used
your
to
work
say,
is going to fill
your
a
work is
large
going to
part of your
fill a
life,
large part
and
of
the
your
only
life.
way to be
And
truly
the only way to be
satisfied
truly
is to do what
satisfied
you believe
is to
is
do what
great
you
work.
believe is
And
great
the
work.
only way to do
And the
great
only
work
way to
is
do
to
great
love
work
what you do.
is to love what
If
you
you
do.
haven't found it
If
yet,
you haven't
keep
found it
looking.
yet, keep looking.
Wow. Yeah, that was great. Wow, amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, I really like the words, right? So
Mm,
powerful. Mm,
mm, mm.
nice.
Nice, nice.
Okay. I was so touched. I was so touched. Yes, yes, that was great. Okay, so this time let's proceed to answer the questions. All right, so I'll read its questions and please say your answers out loud. So let's start with number one, okay? So, how many views on YouTube does Steve Jobs' 2005 commencement speech have?
Okay, let us see. Almost 40 million views.
Yeah, wow, that's great. 40 million. You can just imagine.
Mm-mm.
Wow, so many people really listen and watch the speech.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah. So yeah, he really, yeah, yeah. My country also very famous, Steve Jobs.
that's true. That's why you like iPhone, right?
Yeah, yeah. He
And
really
Mac.
iPhone.
Yeah, you like Mac and iPhone. All right,
Mm.
so let's have the second one. What health issue was Steve Jobs dealing with when he made the speech?
Okay. A cancer.
Yeah, he has cancer. Okay, that's terrible. I mean, it's very difficult. He was struggling during that speech, right?
Mm.
Wow, very challenging. Okay, and the last question. What is the only way to be truly satisfied according to Jobs?
Okay, to be satisfied. Okay. Do the good give to good make as much. Okay, B. Do what you believe is great work.
Oh, do you agree with this?
Yes, I hope. Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, do what you believe is great work.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
sometimes I only think about I get tired or
yes.
exhausted, that's it. But yeah, I have to enjoy
Yeah,
or
exactly.
working.
Yeah, if you believe that it's a great work, you need to
Mm,
fight for it. You need to
yeah.
really give your full
Mm,
effort.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's very true.